Okay, now let's coming back to our video. Our dashboard is all, we have made a dashboard and this is the dashboard. Let us edit it more. Now, if we go to edit, we have an insight here. We can click on insight and generate insight. We can select our own this thing. We can say city by sales. So Qlik Sense by itself will generate its insights and show you. We can do add to sheets from here, or we can directly take it to our dashboard or create a new sheet. But here we will do it manually. And let's switch off the insight option then and go to our dashboard, which is here, and edit dashboard. Let us first make some space for some KPI objects. So for that, we select the chart and we make it smaller. We go to fields and we can search our, for example, if we want sales, we can take our sales figure and put it here on top. This will give us a KPI object. But there are some calculations also which we need to do. So we will create our master items. Let us first delete this. Let us go to master items and add a few dimensions. We create new table wise, it tells us. So first, if we are taking our order tables, we can take customer ID, city, order date. Let's take the year. We can take the profit. First, we will do it as per our order tables. Let us take city and we add the dimension. Customer ID, add the dimension. Order date, we take the order year, add the dimension. The profit, add dimension, and we can click on done. So we have created the dimensions here. Similarly, let us add measures. Click on measures. Measures are basically calculative fields. We create new. It asks us for expression. We go to expression. We can select here by all tables and create. The first one, let us create by using the sum of sales. We notice here that it is right here, so we can apply it. We can insert more. We can name it total sales. We can give it a label description. We can also give it a color. Let's give the KPI a color so that it looks nice and create it. Similarly, we will add another, we have created total sales, and similarly, let's create a sum of profit. The expression here is all case sensitive. We can select length this way also. We'll give it a name. we click on create. Let us also create another one called profit ratio. The expression here used will be sum of the total profit divided by the sum of the total sales. Let's give this the name profit ratio. And create it. All our measures are created. Now we can go to our dashboard, go to the edit mode, and directly we can pick the measures and put them on here. Let us make it a little small so that we have space for all the KPIs. The profit ratio is in a gauge. If we want to deselect it, we can change it from here. We can make it a KPI or a gauge. Let's keep it as a gauge here. And we click on done. So here we can see our dashboard with the KPIs and the bar charts. Coming back to our dashboard, we have here in our profit ratio, we have shown a gauge. We can also change this into a percentage. Let's try and see how do we do it. We do edit, we select it, and it's a profit ratio. And this is the profit percentage. Let it be as a gauge. Here. If we go to charts and directly pick up a KPI object here, it will ask us to add measure. Now, if we select the measures, first it will give us the master item which we have created. And then we can select whatever we want. If we select total profit, then the total profit figure will again come. We have already done the total profit. So let's delete it. On our map, if we select a map, and now if we go to our master item and want to change our city We can simply select it and put it on the map, and we get it here changed. But we will not do so, and we will stay with our city. Let us make some space and add more charts to our dashboard. First, let us select a charts and let's make a scatter plot. A scatter plot will ask us for one dimension and two measures. So for the dimension, we can take the customer ID or the customer name. Let's take the customer name, and the measures we will take are sales, sum of sales, and the second one we can take our profit ratio, which we have created directly from our master items. So here we can see that we get a plotter chart. We can change the appearance of the plotter chart. We can give it a name. Sales versus profit ratio. We can change the presentation. We can change the colors. If we want, we can change the x-axis and the y-axis also by just interchanging them. This is how we create a plotter chart. Let us make this small and make space. Let us make a line chart also so that our dashboard is complete. For dimensions, we will take month, date, and let's use the month. And the measure, we'll take a total sales. Now here we get a plotter chart, a line chart showing the sales per month. Let us add another dimension and make it year so that the ordered year is also there. And now we have all the line chart as per our yearly based on the year and month. Let's click on done and save it. This is our dashboard created. If we take New York City, we can see only the data relating to the New York City, including Los Angeles. Then we will take New York City and Los Angeles. And if we want, we can deselect all the selections and we can get it here. Let's meet till our next video. Thanks.